Hi, training your dog the right way the first time can be very rewarding and fun for everyone. At Bowser's Pet Training, we do it right. You and your puppy or adult dog will enjoy every minute of every training session, and once those lines of communication are open and established, your whole family will want in on the fun that comes with the benefits of training your dog. Does your dog have behavioral problems, in need of obedience, wanting to have fun with tricks and agility? We teach privately and in group classes where we will provide socialization for your dog and are important to your dog's well-being. Bowser's Pet Training will help your pet develop skills to cope with new experiences in a positive way, reducing your dog's stress. Dogs get frustrated not knowing the rules of the house, then it is up to you to teach them. We strive to educate on all levels. All our classes are structured to prepare your dog to become a well-behaved family member. Contact us for a free consultation.